Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we are moving on. So now that you have created your own teams, so you are now the owner of that team. For example, I created this team, so I am the owner of this team. So I can appoint any other members of the team to become owner. For example, I can put here, upgrade this student Nizal Ahmad as owner. So the advantage of having many owners are if there are some problems with the settings, so this owner can override some of the settings so that we can get some guests in, or even invite other possible members into the team. Yeah. So what about members without UKM or PPUKM email? We can add them into the team, but they have guest permissions only. So how to add them into the team? First, you click at the three dots there, add member, and then you can type in their email addresses. I'll be using my personal email address to add myself into the team. And yeah, yahoo.com. Okay. You can add me as a guest. Yeah, I'm added there as a guest because I'm not using my organizational email. Perhaps I'll add, okay, if you can recall just now, I am the owner of this team. So when I created this team, I used the UKM email. So because I used the UKM email, when I am adding another PP UKM email, I'll be added as a guest. Okay. So it's not considered of in the same institution, but we'll talk about this later when we are sending emails. Some features are still possible. So I've added both myself there. Okay. So you may want to add tags onto the owners or even the members, so that if let's say you want to give assignments to them, you can direct to people with these tags. It's basically to make your life easy, then to delegate works and so forth. You may find this useful, and you may not. Okay. If you go to the channels here at the top, there are a few things that I want to show. First is get email address. So you can get an email address for the channel. So this means if you do not have Microsoft Teams anywhere, but you are on your phone, you can still send information, or even give directions, or ask your team members to do certain things, and attachments will come out too. However, the team, if let's say you want to send email, it has to be from these domains. Yeah, so the domains should either be ukm.edu.my, siswa.ukm.edu.my, or ppukm.ukm.edu.my. So if you want to send emails to the team, make sure you're using either UKM or PPUKM email. So both are still possible. Yeah. So if you're using your personal email, it won't get through. I tried this before. So let's try doing this. So I have my UKM. Yeah, this is my PP UKM email. We'll try to send to the team. Let's say oh, command D. Oh, I forgot to copy just now. So we'll just copy the email address. Copy. Then we'll go back to my email. Monday, subject, test email, the users, maybe just your eyes after 20 minutes. Screen time. Okay, maybe we put a nice picture there. No, use another one maybe. Fungus, otitis. Fungal otitis external. Okay, send one email there. Let's see whether it's true. Go to Microsoft Teams. Go to the general channel. Okay, Let's see. It'll take some time. Yay! So test email for all the users. Kindly rest your eyes after 20 minutes of screen time. So let's see whether the attachment is correct. Yeah, you can find picture of automycosis there. All right, so I think this is a great way. You can send emails to your teams. Everyone sees them and everyone can respond to them. If you send attachments, they can work on the attachments, and it's good for collaborative work. Okay, another feature that I want to show is the add feature. So, for example, if I write add teacher just now, I add a tags to the teacher, so you can click there because two person have got tags as teachers, me and Aniza. So both me and Aniza will get this message. This message is to say that you look great today. So I sent messages to myself and Aniza saying that I'm looking great today. So let's see whether it comes out in the chat. Oh yeah, it's not coming out of mine, but I think I need to check with Aniza whether it comes out in hers. Never mind. So another feature is you can write at any members of the group. For example, you want to say, Niza, can you see me in 5 minutes? Okay. Or you can even write to everyone in the team, ENT undergraduate class team. The class was awesome. Okay, not only in chats, but you can also do this when you are inviting them to meetings. You can just use the function add, okay? Add a channel. I can't use this because I'm not a member of this channel, PBL Miss Aniza. But if you write this, you would be able to get to the channel PBL Miss Aniza. Okay, let's explore more of the team settings. So we'll go to manage teams again. And then now we are going to explore the guest setting. So if you go to settings, there is a theme that you can pick for your team that's not very important. Member permissions, this is, okay, for example, if you want to restrict permissions to the members, for you don't want them to create channels, you can just unclick here. You don't want them to delete or restore channels. You don't want them to add applications. They sometimes might be just too busy inside the channels, too many things going on. So apps, remove tabs, but this is important. Members can delete their messages. Members should be able to edit their messages, and they should be able to update and remove some connectors. So for guest permissions, quite limited. So guests can't have more permissions than members. So if you want your guests to be able to create and update channels, you must allow your members to do so first. Can you see? Right. If you have allowed your members to create channels, then only the guests will be able to create channels. See? So if you did not allow your members to create channels, then your guests cannot. Yeah, that'll be all. Thank you.